Well, welcome back to the workshop. It's been a while since my last project, and what I've been doing in the meantime is working on this boiler which I've been building. I haven't made videos about it because it's just too big a project really. I just thought I'd get on with it. Anyway, I've got to the point now where it's ready for pressure testing, and I know it doesn't leak, so I can put a bit of air in it and it stays there. But what I need to do is to build a pressure test pump. Now also what I need to run this boiler is a water feed pump, so if I make a water feed pump I can use that to pressure test it as well. So I've got a Stuart Turner kit here, which is the, I don't know if that shows up, but it's a water feed pump. I purchased this on eBay. They're very old castings, I don't know when they're made. But, I've got all the parts here, and now it's the very scary part of beginning the project. So I'll get some close-up shots of the castings and we can see what we got. And just look what I found in the workshop. This little bloke is a relative of one I've seen before. He's a baby one. We used to call him Gordon. We see him now and again in the workshop. It's the first time I've seen him, so he's very, very cute. He'll run away any minute, but it's great to get him on the video. Let's see what happens when I go near him. He'll run away. Ooh. Play me. Ooh. Alright, so here we go. These are the castings here, and I've never opened them before, so I'm not quite sure. There we go. No idea what that is. Well, that's the handle for that's the knob for the handle. That's the handle, bit of rust on that one. Some nice castings. We need a little box. So we've got this. Definitely can't lose anything. And got a little gasket there. Split pin. But that's everything. Got some ball bearings, quite nice stainless ones, hopefully. And I think the first job probably will be to feddle that up. We'll just clean this up with some needle files. Take our time. Important not to put any gouges in there. Make any marks that we can't fix. Of course, fixturing something like this is always a challenge. Now, what I really want to make sure is I'm lined up on that tube is probably the most important thing. There's going to be about a cylinder in there. If that's concentric, now I can put that on a V block, and these are the same width. They're approximately 1/4 of an inch. So if I can level that on there, what I come up with is some shims. These are just a couple of razor blades. Oh, crap. Oh. Bit wet now. Fell in my bucket of water, so I'll put those there, put that on top. See, that side is very snug. There's no very little movement there, no rocking. That might be the basis. Okay, so this is the fixture that I've come up with. I've got my 2 V blocks here, and I've got a bit of spacing here so that the bottom part doesn't bump into the vise. Now you can see if I loosen that off, that's very snug. There's no play in there, no play that way. Tighten that back up. Okay. Okay, so I had a look at this thing and I'm really not happy with this. You can see measuring it, it's just not, doesn't look parallel. I probably shouldn't have cleaned up that face. Made it, left it look like a casting would have been better probably. But I don't think I don't think it was a good plan. So I made a fixture block, and I've still got a bit of meat on here, so what I'm going to do is that supports those two plates there, and then I can push it hard up against here, clean that up a little bit more, make sure it's parallel to that top surface, see if it looks a bit better. Doesn't really matter, but I think it might be a better idea. We'll see. This is my new fixture. That's pressing in from there. No wiggle. Hopefully that will be guarantee that the top surface of the casting is parallel with the bottom, and we'll see how we go. I'm going to clean up that top face there just a little bit, just enough to take it down. We'll see what it looks like. Okay, that's now should be all square. So we'll have a look at it. I think we can get that back, no problem. And to be honest, if it's not right, oh no, it looks good. Okay, to square it up, I've used this grinding vise here, and I've put it up against the fixture, and that should hold everything square. I tried it doing it vertically, but wasn't happy. Very nice. It's very nice. Now, I think this is a good setup to drill that hole through there. I just have to find the centre, and then I can pop that drill hole through there. 1/2 inch diameter drill and ream. So I think this is a pretty good setup. Very firm. Okay, so here we are. Pretty close. I still have to do the hole through the top. The barrel seems to be a pretty good fit.